back, folks, we got another crew cab for you. It's a 2012 Ford F-150. It's an XLT. It's a 5.0 liter V8. It's a 6.5 box 4x4. And she's a solid, nice truck, folks. Check it out. Loaded up, 2-owner unit. Got the chrome package on her, power driver seat, adjustable pedals, the big old crew. And she's a nice truck, folks. Guaranteed credit approvals in full effect right here. We're going to start the down payment on this rig at $1,195. That's correct. It's a 2012. It's an F-150 XLT Crew 4x4 with a 6.5 box. She's at DasCleveland.com. She's one of 4 Fords right now in stock. See you soon.